Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And today we will learn Surah Al-KAUTHAR. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The Hamza will be connected with Noon. Noon comes with Shadda on top of it. We will do Ghunna on Noon, and after Fatha, Alif comes and there is mud sign on top of it, so we will make the noon sound longer for 3 seconds. Hamza goes to noon in, and but there is shadda, so we will do ghunna. Inna. Hamza will be connected with the ayn. A. Ta goes to ya. Toy. This T sound comes in the place of ta, so we will make it bold. Toy. Noon with standing fatha. Na. So this part will be called a'tayna. This kaf will be connected with the lam. It will make cow. Kaf goes to wow. Cow. Tha goes to ra. We will stop on it. And the ra sound will be bold because it comes after fatha. Thar. Cow. Thar. Kal. Cow. Thar. So this ayah will be like Inna أعطيناك الكوثر. Fa fatha fa. Swad goes to lam. Salli. This S sound will be bold because it's coming in the place of Swad. Fa salli. Ra sound will be bold and it will be connected with ba. Li rabbika. Li rabbika. Wa goes to noon. One. Ha will be from the middle part of the throat. Har. One har. Then Hamza goes to noon. There is shadda on it. So we will do hunna on it. Inna. We will not make the noon sound longer because it simply comes with fatha. Inna. Make the sheen sound longer because after fatha alif madda comes. Shani. Hamza fatha a. So this is Hamza sound a ka. Shani aka. This is ha from bottom part of the throat. Wow. Wal. So huwal. Huwal. Hamza will be connected with ba and ba sound will be echo. Ab. Ab. The ra sound will be bold and we will stop on it. Tar. Ab. Tar. So inna shani'aka huwal abtar. Yeah, I will read the whole surah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna a'tainakal kawthar. Fasalli li rabbika wanhar. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. That's it for today, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.